My name's Justin Kennedy. I'm a diesel engine builder at AIS Engines in Grand Rapids, Michigan. When the engine comes into the shop, we inspect it for parts missing. We tear it all down, evaluate it, figure out what the main failure is, and for us, we get it to our departments. We do all our machine work in-house, and we assemble it all back together. Then once our assembly process is done, we move it over to the dyno room and we dyno it for 8 hours. We don't ever work on the same engine twice. So it's always something new, it's always something different, and it kind of tricks you, it works your brain really hard. The skills that they should have if they're gonna go into this industry, I'd say you need a basic knowledge of mechanical skills, whether it be working in your garage on the weekend on your own vehicle, or you know an uncle that owns a farm and helping them on the farm with their equipment. It's a good way to get your foot in a door when you start working at a place when they know that you have a little bit of background from already previously working on equipment or vehicles. I think somebody should choose this career field if they like to be hands-on and technical and really like to know the ins and outs of the way an engine works. I chose this field because I like diesel engines and I knew it'd be a career that I could stay in for a long time. We're always going to have diesel engines in something, whether it be equipment or over-the-road trucks.